Coral reefs are the most biologically diverse marine ecosystems, supporting an estimated 25% of all marine species. Reef structures support fisheries, tourism, and coastal buffering. In 2023, the Caribbean experienced unprecedented heat waves that led to catastrophic loss of branching corals in particular. This resulted in the permanent loss of unique genetic diversity from the local coral populations. To address this crisis, experts, including USC scientists, are emphasizing the urgent need for biobanking, or coral banks, to preserve coral genetic diversity. This involves creating cryoarchives, which are essentially frozen storage facilities to keep coral genetic diversity safe for future repopulation efforts. The recent decline in coral populations highlights the immediate need for a coral banking initiative. The situation is particularly dire for the Florida elkhorn corals, which faced over 95% mortality due to mass bleaching. This initiative might be key in guiding us towards a brighter future for coral reefs and their ecosystems.